seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
Happy Saturday, everybody. Welcome back to the farm. It's been a week of just getting things done around here. Lots happening this week without having the opportunity to pause and talk much about it. So we're going to do a little catch up on this shorty of a vlog this week.
Shorty?
It's going to be a shorty.
No way.
Definitely way. Good morning, Dragon.
Good morning, Kevin.
How are you this morning?
Fantastic. How you doing?
Doing great. We're going to turn up the volume on Dragon a little bit here.
I don't have my coffee. So.
Well, we still need some more volume, sir.
What's going on? What do you have going on? Tell me what do you have going on?
Looks like, well, let's start here first.
Oh.
Chickens got a move last night. They are now back onto the big pasture, and first time here for this crew. We're hoping that they settle in nicely. They've been in the woods in the beginning of their tenure here, then down at the base of the orchard, and now they are out here. Some new territory for them to scratch around in, and a true test of how they will respect the fences. Speaking of respecting fences, this morning we woke up.
Kevin got out.
Bruno and Chaz were off on an adventure. Chaz is over there with Bella. Chaz somehow slipped his leash, and Bruno somehow got out of here. He's been pretty good staying inside the fence, and likely got out through one of the holes. Bruno, where you been all night? Huh? Looking like that. Fresh off of his adventure with his brother. Chickens here. How long you expect them to stay, Dragon?
At least a month. There are 4 fences. So we'll move the coop. The fence will stay because it stretches all the way down to the other side of the pasture. This is always exciting time of the year for us because people get to see the chickens up close. Everybody that drives by loves seeing the chickens, so it's kind of also free advertisement for our eggs. So I love it. People usually always ask to walk and go see the chickens, and it's usually on the other side of the property. This time it's right where our parking is. Kevin can turn around. It's literally right on the other side of the fence, so this should give the people a chance to see the chickens up close. In more exciting news, let's walk over here. What happened here, Kevin?
Looks like Dragon got some plastic delivered. The greenhouse got finished yesterday morning. All that was left was for the crew to come in and put the plastic on, but they needed 4 people for the crew. It's been a 3-man crew doing this, and they needed that 4th person. And we also needed some calm winds because we had some windy weather all week, which is why what took the delay in getting this final piece done, which happened yesterday morning. Dragon?
Looks amazing. We're really happy how it came out. It's really spacious now. You can definitely get the feel of the space. Can't wait to start planting and planting. We might even try to do some cold crops for the winter, maybe some spinach, carrots, or some stuff. So already went through order list to order some seeds. So we would like to till it one more time, soften up this ground, and then start making the probably no-till beds and sectioning it off how we want it done. So plastic is a double layer plastic. There's a little fan here eventually. So there's 2 layers of plastic covering the greenhouse. Cold frame. That can be made into greenhouse. So this fan, when you turn it on, it will put the air in between the 2 plastics, which will become insulation and will keep the heat better. And that way it becomes a greenhouse. Still need to work on the heat source for this if we decide to heat it completely. But we will get there when we get there. But for now, this is what we're gonna do. Definitely want to plant some stuff and start growing. So.
And speaking of heat source,
What about heat? Oh yeah, we got the stove in the store taken care of yesterday. We finished it, getting the chimney fastened up and sealed up against the roof. So yeah, feels good. We got a lot done this week.
Yeah.
That's what happens when Kevin doesn't talk. We get stuff done. If you talk, stuff doesn't get done, if you know what I mean.
Have no idea.
So, but yeah, roll up sides, roll up. We briefly talked about
We talked about it with the crank, but now you can actually do a live demo.
Especially rolls all the way up over here. But on the hot days, goes down. On the hot days, summer hot days, we'll have the plastic up. But yeah, looks amazing. Better than expected, I think, for both of us. At least for me, I don't know, Kevin.
Nobody asked me, so.
Bruno, stop. So yeah, there you have it. Anything else, Kevin?
No,
Nice.
I think that might be it. A little shorty this week.
All right, come on. Thanks everybody for watching. He hates it. He hates it.
Yes, dear hearts, it is the next day. Happy Sunday, everybody. We ended up doing some next week vlogging yesterday. Getting some projects done that we will bring you next week. So tune in for those. You'll see the dates likely overlap. And we'll show you all of that stuff.
Hey.
When it's time. Dogs are all around. Dragon's dogs are out today. Kevin's dogs are well-behaved young lads. Dragon.
Look at Kevin's dog. Look at Kevin's dog.
Hi, Jazzy. Good boy. Final thoughts for the week, Dragon?
It was a good week, I think.
I think so too.
Yeah, it was a good week. Got the greenhouse done. That's super exciting. And already making plans what to plant in them. We got more tilling done. We got more. That's the next week.
That's next week. Yep.
So yeah, we got some nice projects. We have a couple of cold days tonight and tomorrow. We have really low 30s overnights, and after that we're back in 40s and 60s, and that should give us a nice window to do some planting. So looking forward to that. Semi-busy weekend. Saturday was kind of started really slow, picked up towards the end of the day, and nice and steady Sunday today. So it's good. Still things are moving nicely. So looking forward to another week. So
Absolutely. I know we were short on words this week, but hopefully you got a full picture nonetheless of all the things that we had going on here at the farm. And a huge thank you to Sam and the Casa Ave crew for helping move that really, really heavy stove back inside the store this week. That's this week. That's how you open this week's vlog tracking.
So a long time ago.
Exactly a week ago today. So thank you guys for helping us out with that. We know it was
Cindy made a
backbreaking work.
the stove. I didn't
Not
see it.
Cindy.
Oh, I was gonna say.
Her crew
Gotta
was
see
helping.
that vlog. Cindy moving the stove.
I want to thank you guys as always for stopping in and checking up on us this week. And as always, if you happen to be traveling through Virginia, coming down US 301 and driving through King George County, make sure you stop right here and see us at the farm. Everybody stay safe out there, and we'll see you again real soon.
We'll see you next week.